Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before entering the material, we will introduce ourselves first. My name is Mahmuda Mutmainna and my friend Riri Nada Devita. Here, we will explain the discrete mathematics. The material is Boolean algebra. Definition of Boolean algebra. If B is the set defined on the two binary operators plus and as well as an operator unor, for example, 0 and 1 are two different elements of B, then the tuple B plus point accent is called Boolean algebra if for every A, B, C element B bar applies axiom or postulate Huntington follows. 1. Closure. A plus B, B bar, it means the result plus remains in operation B. A point B, B bar, it means the result of operation point remain in B. 2. Commutative. A plus B equal B plus A. A point B equal B point A. So, the commutative law applies A plus B equal B plus A and otherwise. The number 3 is identity. A plus 0 equal A and A point 1 equal A. 4. Distributive. A point B plus C equal A point B plus A point C. A plus B point C equal A plus B point A plus C. 5. Complement. For each A, B bar, there is a unique element, A accent B bar, so that A plus A accent equal 1, A point A accent equal 0, where element 0 is called zero element. Element 1 is called unit element. Boolean algebra two value. If B 0 and 1, then see table below. For table 1.1, A point B, use the AND gate that 0.0 equal 0, 0.1 equal 0. Only 1.1 are worth 1. For table 1.2, using the OR gate, all worth 1 except 0 plus 0. For table 1.3, using a NOT gate, that value of the reverse and usually use accent symbol. A is 0, then a value of 1 and otherwise accent, and so on. Boolean expression. Let B plus point accent is a Boolean algebra. A Boolean expression in B plus point accent is example 0, 1, A, B, C, A plus B, A point B, A accent point B plus C, A point B accent plus A point B, point C accent, point plus B accent, and so on. Evaluating Boolean expression. Said to be the equivalent of two Boolean expression denoted by accent equal accent. If both have the same value for every give values to the n variable, example, A accent point B plus C. If A equal 0, B equal 1, and C equal 0, then the result of the evaluation expression 0 accent 1 plus 0 equal 1.1 equal 1. To evaluate Boolean expression, known value in the insert to determine the result of the evaluation, as in the example of a value 0, then enter into the value a accent 0 to 1 and so on. Example: show that A plus A accent B equal A plus B. To prove, we prove with the truth table. See the table below. A accent word is 1100. A accent B wrote 0, 1, 0, and 0. A plus A accent B wrote 0, 1, 1, and 1. A plus B is 0, 1, 1, and 1. In the table, A plus A accent B and A plus B is the same. See, it has been proved that A plus A accent B equal A plus B. The laws of Boolean algebra. There are some laws of Boolean algebra. 1. Law of identity. A plus 0 equal A. A.1 equal A. 2. Idempotent. A plus A equal A. A.A equal A. 3. Complement. A plus A accent equal 1. A accent equal 0. 4. Law of dominance. A plus 0 equal 0. A plus 1 equal 1. Involution. A accent equal A. 6. Absorption. A plus AB equal A. A point A plus B equal A. The next is number 7, commutative law. A plus B equal B plus A. A point B equal B point A. 8. Associative law. A plus B plus C equal A plus B plus C. A point BC equal AB point C. 9. Distributive law. A plus B point C equal A plus B point A plus C. A point B plus C equal AB plus AC. 10. Law of De Morgan. A plus B accent equal A accent B accent. A point B accent equal A accent plus B accent. 11. Law 0, 2. 0 accent equal 1. 1 accent equal 0.
Okay friend, I, Ridinada Devita, will continue the explanation of my friend Mahmuda Mutmainah. The next point that we will discuss is the duality principle. Example: Proof 1. A plus A accent B equal A plus B, and 2. A point A accent plus B equal AB. Completion. A plus A accent B equal A plus AB plus A accent B. Use absorption law. A plus AB plus A accent B, use associative law. A plus A plus A accent B, use distributive law. A plus 1 point B, use complement law. A plus B, use identity law. Conclusion is the two dual of 1. Boolean function. Boolean function is a mapping from Bn to B through Boolean expression. We write it as like picture. Bn is the set of ordered pairs consisting of a double n, ordered n tuple, in the area of origin B. Each Boolean expression is a Boolean function. Example 1. Take a look at one example. There is a double tree ordered pairs 1, 0, 1. This can be interpreted as x equal 1, y equal 0, z equal 1, so as the function 1, 0, 1 equal 1.0, 0.1 plus 1 accent 0.0 plus 0 accent 0.1 equal 0 plus 0 plus 1 equal 1. Example 2. Boolean unknown function f x, y, z equal x, y, z accent. State in a truth table. Completion. The first variable contains of 4 to the first row in the first column with the numbers 0 and 4 subsequent rows with numbers 1. For the second variable, the contents of the first two lines of the second column to the next row 0 and 2 to 1. The next two lines to 0 again and the last one lines with 1. For the third variable, the content of third column alternately with 0 and 1 from first row to the last row. Important. Each variable in the Boolean function included in the form of its complement called literal. The function f x, y, z equal x, y, z accent in the above example consists of three pieces of literals is x, y, and z accent. Complement function. The first way to determine complement of function, we can use the law of De Morgan. We can work on the problems under the law De Morgan see that we before discussed. The second way to use the principle of duality. Determine the dual of a Boolean expression that represent f and complement each literal in the dual. Remember that the principle of duality is P changing operators. Multiple replace plus, plus replace multiple, and 0 replace 1, 1 replace 0. Canonical form. There are two forms of canonic. 1. Sum of product or SOP. 2. Product of sum or POS. Example of SOP. Function x, y, z equal x accent, y accent z plus x, y accent z accent plus x, y, z. Each triple or term is called a minterm. 2. Example of pos. Function g x y z equal x plus y plus z point x plus y accent plus z point x plus y accent plus z accent point x accent plus y plus z accent point x accent plus y accent plus z. Each triple or term called maxterm. Each triple or maxterm contains literal complete. Like picture is truth table SOP. Example 1. State the truth table below in the form of canonic SOP and POS. Completion. A. Function in the form of canonical SOP Boolean is f x y z equal x accent y accent z plus x y accent z accent plus x y z, or to use the symbol minterm, f x y z equal m1 plus m4 plus m7 equal sigma 1 4 7. B. POS combination of values. Function POS Boolean in canonical form is function f x y z equal x plus y plus z point x plus y accent plus z point x plus y accent plus z accent point x accent plus y plus z accent point x accent plus y accent plus z. Or in other forms, function f x y z equal m0 point m2 point m3 point m5 point m6 equal sigma 0 2 3 5 6.